One little chicken, all alone in the sun, clucked and scratched and had some fun. Two little chickens, pecking at the ground, chirping and clucking, a happy sound. Three little chickens, flapping their wings, strutting and preening, doing chicken things. Four little chickens, perched on a log, watching the world go by like a big bump on a hog. Five little chickens, running through the hay, playing hide and seek, squawking all the way. Six little chickens, gathered round the coop, clucking and crowing, a lively chicken group. Seven little chickens, digging up worms, sharing their bounty, taking turns. Eight little chickens, roosting in a tree, nesting and resting, as happy as can be. Nine little chickens, feasting on corn, eating and pecking from dusk until morn. 10 little chickens, a lively flock, ruffling feathers, clucking round the clock.